Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mind Your Exam. So in this video we will learn how to calculate the sum of multiple numbers in Excel. So there is a predefined function for it. Suppose we have these 5 numbers 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So to calculate their sum you need to type equal to in the cell where you want to get the result. I want the result in this cell, which is cell C7. So I type equal to, then I type SUM. SUM is a built-in function that is provided by Excel. So when you type SUM and you press tab on your keyboard, then it will start a bracket. Now after the bracket you need to specify the numbers whose sum you want to calculate. So one way is to select all those cells that contain the numbers whose sum you want to calculate. So I select this cell, which is cell C2 containing value 5, then I press comma, then I select the next cell, then comma, then I select the next cell, and so on. But this is a slightly lengthy process. Though we will get the result after selecting all the cells, when you press enter you'll get the result as 75, but selecting cells one by one is a little cumbersome and separating them with commas is time consuming. So there is another way of doing this. The process will remain the same. You type equal to SUM, you press tab, and then you click on the first cell where your first number is present, and then press the shift key on your keyboard and the down arrow together. So I press the shift key and the down arrow, and I press them as long as all my numbers are selected. Then I close the bracket and press enter. So this is a quicker way of calculating the sum of all these numbers. Another option is you click on sum, that means equal to sum, and then you select the first cell, place your cursor at the extreme right hand side right corner, extreme right corner of the cell, and drag down to select all the numbers using the mouse. Again, when all the cells have been selected, that means from I2 to I6, I'll close the bracket, press enter. So these are the 3 ways that you can use to calculate the sum of numbers using the sum built-in function in Excel. Thank you for watching this video, and till we meet in the next video, mind your exam.